everybody, it's Bobby B here coming at you with another great video of mine. In today's video, we're working on a 2010 Buick Lacrosse. We got an issue with the ABS light staying on, hooked my code scanner up, we got some speed sensor issues. We actually have two codes that are pulling up on it. One is calling up on the rear driver's side, the other one is the front passenger side speed sensor. Now let's get into it. Alright, now that you got your tire off, you got your sensor back here, you got a 10mm bolt holding in there. You're just going to take the 10 out, pull it out. I already got it loose and everything. Don't really know why the sensor went bad. Just make sure you trace your wire all the way back to the plug. Make sure the plug looks good back there. And then you put your new one in there and then you should be good to go. Got the new sensor here. It's got all new tabs with it. So when you're taking your old sensor out, you can just, you don't have to you can rip all those tabs out, don't worry about it. The plug's way back on the other side over there. You should be good to go. Well, alright, that took care of this problem with this particular car. I hope it fixes yours. If not, just send me a message and I'll try to answer you back as fast as I can. And always like and subscribe. Bobby B out.